Hello friends, this is Umang Sharma. In this video, I am going to explain my compiler experiment number 7. So in this experiment, this is predictive parsing. Predictive parsing. In this experiment, our aim is to write a program to parse a given string into non-recursive prediction parsing for a given grammar. So I will tell you what is the description of this experiment. Recursive descent is a top-down approach technique that constructed the parse tree from the top and input is right, read from left to right. So in this parsing, I am going to LR parsing. That's a left to right parsing. It uses procedures from every terminal and non-terminal entity. The parsing technique recursively parse the input to make a parse tree, which may or may not be required backtracking, but the grammar associated with it cannot avoid backtracking. A form of recursive descent parses that does not require any backtracking. It's known as predictive parsing. This parsing technique is regarded recursive as it uses context-free grammar, which is parsing nature. So I'll tell you what is the algorithm actually I use for this experiment. For this experiment, I'll tell you this is my program. So this is lengthy program, so I will tell you what is the actually algorithm I am using. So in this algorithm, first I set my IP to point to the first symbol, that is w dollar, and I am repeating until let x be the top stack. So I am putting x in the top of the stack and the symbol pointed by the IP, and IP is pointing to my stack. If x is the terminal of for them, then I am doing equation x equal to 8. Then pop x from the stack and advance IP. Otherwise, I am giving error. Else, M is my array, that is two dimension array that I am giving x comma a for restoring the value x array y1, y2 and yk. Then begin. If it is that I am popping x from the my stack and pushing yk minus 1, like that symbol I am pushing in my stack with y1 on the top, because that is stack last in first also. Y1 will come as a top of the stack, and output of the production is x produces y1, y2 and yk. And else I am giving error and until x equal to dollar. So that output I already did, because input also very lengthy, so I already did it. So please enter the number of terminals. So I am giving enter terminal is 6. Please enter the number of non-terminal, that is I am going to 5. Please enter starting non-terminal in the grammar, that is C. Please enter all the terminals simultaneously. So A plus star bracket and end with I am ending with dollar. Place all the non-terminals, so that is non-terminal A, E, T, B, F, and for inscription use at the rate. So what is I am going transaction? So E produce TA and rest is null, and E produce TA. Then enter the row entry for the transaction. A produce plus TA. So that is my row entry. Then null. A produce at the rate. A produce at the rate. Now enter the row transaction for the transaction table, that is T. For T, I am T producing FB. Other is null and T produce B. Then next is B produce at the rate and B produce star FB. And rest is null. B produce A at the rate. B produce at the rate. Now enter the row entry for the transaction table. A produce FB null. F produce in bracket E rest is null, and E produce TA, E produce TA. Now I need to display my table, so that I display here null, that value I giving I producing here in two dimensional array. Now I need to give an input with end with dollar and hash rate. So I give a plus A star B, and then now I am going stack. So first E I am putting dollar, and input character I am reading A, that E produce ETA. So TA will come here. Next time again when input T A will come, T produce FB. Then FB will come here on the top of the stack. The input A, F produce A. What A will cancel out. So here rest out is BA plus B produce at the rate. So B produce at the rate, it means my null character. So A dollar plus. So A produce plus TA, that I am putting my stack, so it become TA dollar A. T produces FB. So what it's produce FB, so FB will come here. Then A produce, so F values B, A cancel, so here become A plus, next symbol is star. So B produce star FB, so star will go out, FBA, then A, F produce A will go out, B a dollar is dollar, here is null character, so B will go out, a dollar equal to dollar, that is a last is pudding, so parsing has been complete and that strings is accepted by this programmer. I hope you understand this program. I hope you understand this program of predictive parsing. Thank you.